Problem. Will you square up with me?
What's up? Alright, what's up, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy On 5 Nick on 5 Click, and today we're gonna be reacting to the smartest and most funniest animals. Dogs, cats, you know, every kind of animal of 2025. So let's get to it, people. Okay. I didn't know dogs could sneeze. I genuinely didn't know. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh wow. Wow. I really never thought, wow. I never thought I'd see a dog catching its own tail. Because I always see them chasing their own tails, but I never really see one catching its own tail. I've had a couple of dogs in my life. You can see the dog was amazed too, like, huh?
Don't like that. Don't be like this, me. Get rid of cable and upgrade to DirecTV. Call 1-800-DirecTV.
First round's on me.
Well, that little fella is a bully. That little dude is a bully. I had one of them before. I not like the exact dog, but I had like a smaller statured dog, a Jack Russell before, and that dude was all over the place. That dude was just all over the place.
Mama? Hello? 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 Mama?
I ain't gonna lie, I be hearing them cats. We got a couple of stray cats in my neighborhood, and they be like doing weird sounds like that at night, sounding like babies and stuff. That creeps me out. You know what I'm saying? Cats are cute, but they creepy. They are super creepy. I don't know who agrees with me, but I don't know, man. They cute, but they creepy, and they sneaky too. They real sneaky.
Good morning, everyone.
I be telling y'all, these cats, not cats, sometimes I feel like animals have like human spirits in them, or they behave like humans. Let me say that. They be just doing some crazy stuff sometimes, like weird in such, move in such a weird way that you'd really think, wait, did you just do some human activities right there? They be doing that. They be doing that a lot.
This is fun.
Told you. Told you. What a cat know about a gun? I told you, bro. I told you, bro.
What's your problem? Will you square up with me?
What's up? Hey. Hey, man. Hey, hey. I'm trying to tell you about them cats, man. They jump on you, bro. Hey, bro.
about to make a video of my dog watching me walk away. Hold on.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Come on, man. That's not cool, bro. That's not cool. That's like abandoning your own child. I feel like that's kind of like abandoning your child. That's not cool. I kind of felt bad for that dog. That's not cool at all. What the? That cat is like, that's fuel. I mean, that's food, human. You letting all that food go to waste?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
You serious? Yeah, gonna get.
Kedinin amacını biliyoruz. Hedef.
Whoa. Hey. And then somebody in trouble. Oh no. 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 When you have a dog and you want to hit it, you just do stuff like that. What the? Oh. What?
Calm. Careful, buddy. Calm.
What the? Oh no. 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 I don't want. That's too much. Put him in a cage or something. That's a little bit too much right there.
Evet, pederimi kardeşimin üstüne döken.
Right in his face. What's that, Alu? See, that's a dog. That's a dog in a cat's body. You saw that? That's a dog in a cat's body right there. It's funny. Huh? I know I just ain't seen what I thought I just seen. That little cat just opened the gate with his mouth. These animals are smart. They're really getting smarter by the day. They're really like evolving and adapting to technology and human inventions, I'll say. What the hell?
So I'm doing a bit of cooking. Oh, thanks very much. Oh, lovely.
Aww. Dude! No! Why you let him fall like that, bro? I like golden retrievers. I feel like if you have a family, it's the perfect dog for a family right there.